I made smart glasses using a Raspberry Pi and ChatGPT that can take pictures and recommend recipes. The codes and relevant files are linked in the description. Hardware setup is simple. You need a pair of glasses or goggles, a Raspberry Pi Zero 2W, a Pi camera, a push button, and some wires. Connect the Pi cam to the Raspberry Pi, attach the wires to the push button, and add some tape so the wires stay there, and connect the button to the Pi. And add more tape to stick the whole thing to the glasses. To make it more neat and add some structural support, I designed and 3D printed a simple box to hold and cover the Pi. Now we got the hardware ready, so let's move on to the software side. For object detection, I used YOLO algorithm since it's easy to train and pretty robust. But I noticed that when I tried to use the pre-trained model, it is not tailored to produce and grocery items. Here the detection says bottle for this pasta sauce, but it's not going to be very helpful because I need to extract the list of items that goes into a recipe. So I decided to train my own model based on the pre-trained model. I took pictures of the stuff that were in my fridge and labeled them. Then I ran the program that trains the model based on the images and labels I provided. You can see the results got better in this image. Image detection part is done, so let's look at the overall pipeline. Raspberry Pi on the glasses will take a picture when the button is pressed, process the image so it can create a list of detected items, format into CSV, and send the CSV file over Wi-Fi to my laptop. My laptop will receive the CSV file and run a Python program with ChatGPT API, so it will parse through the list and send a prompt that will ask ChatGPT what kind of dishes I can make out of them. One of the recipes I got was lamb and bell pepper stir fry. I didn't know how to cook stir fries, but it looked simple, so I decided to give it a go. The result was pretty good, so I might use these glasses again when I have leftover groceries in my fridge. The codes and files used in this video are in this GitHub repository. I linked it in the description, so feel free to check them out. Let me know if you would like to have more detailed tutorial. This is my first video, so I would like to hear from you.